Hi guys, my name's Sam. I am your TA for this semester, and I'm just making this video to show you how to download Autodesk Inventor onto your personal laptop or desktop. You can get Autodesk Inventor on most of the computers on campus and through remote desktop or labs, but if you want something that's just for your personal laptop or desktop, this is kind of how you do it. So this page, I've added the link to it to your document, your lab document. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, come to this page. Once you get to this page, depending on if you already have an Autodesk account or not, you're either going to click Get Started or Sign In. If you do already have an Autodesk account, just use Sign In, but if you don't, we're just going to go to Get Started. So I already have an account, but let's just create one to show you what you're going to do. So the first thing you're going to do is put in your country, so United States, and then you'll be student, your university, and then I'm just going to throw in a random birthday because I don't want you to know when my birthday is. Boom. And then you'll just put in your first name, your last name, your email. I would recommend putting your Penn State email, your PSU email, so that you can verify that it is a student account. I don't know if they really check, actually. You could probably just use like a Gmail or a Yahoo, but again, I'd probably just recommend using the Penn State account. Once you create your account, you should get a confirmation email from Autodesk that has you confirm that you are a student. I don't think you actually have to do anything to confirm that you're a student beyond just, putting in your email. But once you get that, you'll be able to sign in. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. And that's my email, so if you need me, go to that email. And now that I'm signed in, you'll be able to see all of the different types of softwares that you can download and programs. For our purposes, we want Inventor Professional. So I actually uninstalled my Inventor so I could show you how it's going to install. I installed it a little while ago, and the campus Wi-Fi really sucked, so it took like 20 minutes, but it usually doesn't take that long. It really should only take like maximum 10 minutes. So here we're going to click Install, Accept, and it'll just start installing. And I'll just fast forward this because I don't want you to wait 10 minutes to watch me do things. Okay, so now that it's kind of popped up, they're going to ask you if you want Autodesk Inventor 2021 or Autodesk Inventor Professional. It doesn't really matter. I just do Professional. I haven't had an issue with doing one or the other, so I would just default to Autodesk Inventor Professional in this case. And then you're just going to install. It doesn't really take that much space, honestly, for such a powerful program, so you should have enough space to install it. And I'm going to pause again. Okay, so once it's finished installing, it'll just show this screen, and you can just click Finish, and it should pop up. If it doesn't pop up, you can just double click on the icon like any other program. Oh, cool. Yep. You're going to sign in with your Autodesk ID. Okay, so once you've logged in, it should open up and look something like this. And I'll show you guys in the next video how to start a new part in drawing. But yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. If you run into any trouble, feel free to email me. I will put my email in the lab document, and I'll also add my cell phone number. You can call me or text me at pretty much any time if you need something. And yeah, that really is, it's pretty simple. It might take a little while depending on your Wi-Fi, but that's pretty much it. Bye.